I don't think you can have a space.
Like
but
underscore
you
or a
can-
dash?
You can do a dash or an underscore, either one should work.
Is this O1, or, I mean, this is SIPI O2, O3?
Which one?
The SIPI, which box is it? Is it O2?
100 and 102. We can use any one.
What do we have?
Yeah.
that one?
101 is going to be 102 actually.
O2.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So on the SIP machine we've been using, it has 100 and 101 are the only two IPs that I saw on it.
Well, so we have two SIPI
Mhm.
boxes.
I see.
So that would be SIPI O2, and then we have SIPI O3.
I
Mhm.
got you.
SIPI
Which
O1
is-
is dead. So.
It's run its course. Okay. So then we'll end up, the U-port number will automatically get assigned through RSA. So
Okay.
you don't even need to worry about managing it. The IP address, I guess you guys know, but 10, what I have on record is 10, 252, 122, 101 you can use for the UAS.
Cool. That's it.
Yep.
Mhm.
So now what we'll do is we need to assign it a realm, because that's one of the minimum requirements. And so wherever we're going to be signaling from to go to the UAS. So obviously with SIPI it doesn't matter, but
So we could just as a wholesale term?
Sure.
okay.
UAS should be core.
Core?
Okay. Now, if we were going to do transcoding at this point, we would need to define what type of transcoding we want to do and assign the correct codec profile if applicable.
So since this is core, in theory, we don't do transcoding on the core.
No.
Well, if it came in 729, you'd want to transcode it to
Okay.
711 in.
Yeah. In
Yeah,
there.
yeah, okay.
Okay.
So you do static. Yep. And then choose a codec profile to go along with it. Whenever you do static, you have to choose a codec profile. We've had a lot of odd names for
G711.
codec profiles, but
Okay,
you
not
could
bad.
just do probably just G711. We'd have to, let me take
What's
a
the
look.
SRP one?
Actually, the SRP one is probably the one you want, might be the one you want.
SRP one is IC.
Is what?
IC.
Is what?
IC, yes.
IC.
Oh, I see.
Yes, so IC is actually prohibit all G711 law at 64 kilobits a second with P time of 20. It
That
sounds
is the SRP.
Yeah, that's the one you've been using on the SRP.
Yeah.
So let's change the codec
Yeah.
profile to IC.
Third one?
No, the codec profile name of IC.
Shit. I see.
Yeah.
All right. All right, so now if we scroll back up to the top, you'll see all the tabs. IC will work, based on looking at it.
That was the one working.
We're gonna change that name now.
So if we scroll back up to the top, we're gonna need to apply some destination trunk groups. So we're gonna route this call. Oh, wait.
I have I'm sorry, a question. So this no T.38 support, is that, if it's not checked, does that mean that if someone sends us that we'll pass it?
So with no T38 support means we're only, I guess we would, I don't know, I'd have to look in the operations
You
guide.
don't give.
I know we don't support it. I'm just curious what that means.
Which one? No.
That box. No T.38 support, what does that mean?
I would think that
This
it
for the IH, this for this endpoint, we won't be
filters it. Yeah, we won't be
T38.
supporting it. That's my guess.
What happens if someone comes in with 338? You transfer?
I guess we would. I mean, I'd have to look up inside the operations guide to see exactly what the flag is for. It may not be for that, and that may be handled in the codec profiles, but it's not something I,
Because in my mind, since we don't support it, if someone sends
Yeah,
it, we
with
should
any of the
say,
peer,
Mhm.
It should be
Just
stopped there.
select it.
Yeah.
that's why I'm just wondering what that tag means.
with any of our peer also, we don't have a T38 support.
Right, but it's, I don't remember us having to actually define
let's see what we got.
anything to say,
Yeah, we reject it or accept it.
I'm just curious.
We can try that.
Give me
But-
2 seconds and I'll tell you what it does.